Paano nga ba umupo gamit itong ating 8 hoops big petticoat na to? At tamang-tama na, pa-comment na rin si Ma'am Asia kung papaano nga ba. Sobrang hirap nga naman talaga umupo pag ginamit mo yung big petticoat na to. Hawakan mo lang yung magkabilang big gilid. Ayan, ganyan siya. At pagkatapos niyan, iangat nyo lang yon, isuot nyo yon sa pinakang upuan. At tsaran, ganito talaga po siya gamitin yung big petticoat na to kung paano tayo tamang umupo. Wag kang uupo nung ipo-fold mo lang yung pinakang baba, yung parang sa skirt masisira yan. Check out na!
Hey, so I got a question. Do you wanna have a slumber party in my basement? Do I make your heart beat like an 808 drum? Is my love your drug? Your drug? Your drug? Your drug is my love. Your drug? Because your love is my drug. Your love.
Taste of a lobster stew. Serve. I'd rather be crying in a Bentley, sipping on Hennessy, drying on my tears with some $100 bills. Feeling down in Fendi, but I got plenty money for the pain in the world. Chilling in the biz, just like Justin Bieber, cause I got the money, I don't care. And you can put that on my visa, roll me like a Caesar. You know that we global, bitch, I'm here. So far from where we coming from, and we don't stop until.
Hello, Ma'am Ayen. Tanong ni Ma'am Ayen, paano daw po yung pag-upo kapag meron pong may likod sa upuan. So, Ma'am, ito po yung tinutukoy nyo na upuan. Yung pong merong sandalan. Ito po, Mi. Ito po ay may sandalan na upuan. Ganito po ba yung tinatanong nyo? Ayan po siya. May sandalan po siya. So, may pag ganito na may sandalan yung upuan nyo, at kagaya nito Mi, naka 8 layer po ako na petticoat. Ayan. Medyo balloon po siya, naka 8 layer po ako na petticoat. So, pag ganito Mi, kalaki yung inyong petticoat, pwede po nyong hawakan. Ganito po yung pag-upo. Alalayan nyo lang po yung magkabilang gilid. Fold nyo lang po yan. Sa left and right. Ayan po siya. Lalayan nyo lang po yung taas nyo. Then, pwede na po kayong maupo. Ayan. Hindi po siya tataas. Basta tama lang po yung pag-upo at hindi rin po kayo mahihirapan. Ganito po siya. At pagtayo nyo, pwede nyo po yung alalayan pataas para po hindi rin po ma-deform yung inyo pong petticoat. Ayan, Mi. Basta, Ma'am, tatandaan nyo tuwing uupo kayo at 8 layer o 6 layer o mas bulky pa doon, hawakan nyo lang Mi yung magkabilang gilid. Ayan, Mi. Then, saka po kayo uupo. Ayan, Ma'am. O, I hope po nakatulong yung sagot ko kay Ma'am Ayen at sa mga nanonood po ng video po na to. Thank you so much. God bless po. Ingat.
Hello, beautiful brides-to-be. So today, I'll be teaching you on how to sit with your wedding dress. Obviously, this isn't the right way. Hold the petticoat from behind and then sit like a princess that you are. Yes, this is the right way. Thanks for watching.
So if you've had enough, then come to the land of the lost and lonely. Don't be afraid, we'll be one big family of freaks like you.
Hello everyone! Gusto ko lang po magbigay ng konting tips kung paano po ang pag-upo habang tayo po ay may suot na petticoat. So usually po pag tayo ay naka-ball gown na, tapos medyo bulky yung ating pong petticoat, hirap po tayong maupo. So ito po ay konting tips. Sana po ay makatulong sa inyo. So, pag ganito po ang ginawa niyong upo, ang nangyayari, tumataas po ko. Ayan po, tumataas siya. So, ito po yung tama. Wag niyo pong gagawin to. Yung nakaganito po yung upo. Ito po yung proper o tama. Touch niyo po yung layer sa may likod. Ayan po. Then, saka po kayo uupo. Ayan. So, kapag kayo nakagan, so baksak din po yung gun na yun. Makita nyo, hindi po siya tumaas kagaya kanina. So, ito po yung tamang pag... Ayan po. So, sana po yung konting tips makatulong po sa inyo.
If you've ever wondered how ladies sat down in hooped petticoats, I am about to show you. My name is Charlotte and I work with historical clothing at the New Canaan Museum and Historical Society in Connecticut, and this is an 1860s hooped petticoat that we were photographing for our collection. You can tell it's an 1860s hoop petticoat because of the way it is. Just kidding. You can actually see here pretty well that it extends out further in the back than it does in the front, which was a very popular silhouette in the 1860s, whereas in the 1850s it was a much more circular shape. Here you get a sense of the tape holding the form out, and I think that this actually really shows you how the hooped petticoats are made and put together. I do think that this one is missing a piece because you can see all of the little holes down the front opening, and in a couple of our other hooped petticoats there are a few panels that would attach there and then circle around the back of the wearer's legs in order to hold the petticoat back instead of having it collapse forwards with the weight of the dress. Here is a close-up of those holes, and also you can see how the individual pieces of the petticoat are attached to the shell or the lining. This petticoat also has been worked on over the past few years because these buttons are most definitely not original to the piece. But overall, the petticoat is in really good condition. You can see that a few of the little wires are bent out of shape, but overall they are pretty good and structurally sound. Each one has been encased in a line of fabric to protect the metal and the garment that you would have worn over top of it. Some of it is a little bit discolored now because of the metal and how old it is. People are always like, how do you move around in them? They collapse super easily.
Yeah, I feel like you could just
So
sit,
if you're trying to sit down, it just collapses and then you just sit down. And they're super, super lightweight. So pretty easy to move around. This is the photo that we will use for our database. It was almost impossible to edit because the software only registered the outside lines, and I had to go in and remove all of the pieces on the inside and make sure that the background matched inside and outside in between all of the little lines, but I think it was worth it and it turned out great.
How to sit with your petticoat.
I see you